Hey, what's going on, guys? It's John Quattro here, and today we're going to talk about lighting. Roll that intro. Okay, so lighting. Why is it important? In my opinion, and in the opinion of a lot of professionals, if you're creating content, video content, there is a hierarchy, a little pyramid on what's the most important thing. The most important thing right off the bat is going to be audio. You have to have the best audio that you can get. That doesn't mean you have to have expensive equipment. It just means you need to be in a quiet room. Have the microphone as close to your face as possible. My microphone right down here, it's a little voice recorder because my camera doesn't have audio input. But making sure that your audio quality is as good as you can make it is going to be the most beneficial for people sticking around and enjoying your content that you've worked so hard for. Think of it like this. If you're driving in the car and you turn the radio on, and the second it starts to get a little staticky, you switch channels. People will watch a video that isn't, super crisp and awesome in 4K, but they won't watch a video that sounds like crap. That's the best advice I can give you. I have quite a few videos going over, what I use for audio. I have some more videos on the way. Link to my channel down there in the description. Go ahead and subscribe while you're there. The second most important thing most people would think is your camera. It isn't, actually. I'll show you here in a second what this $1,000 camera setup looks like without lighting. Short answer, it looks like crap. Lights are the second most important thing. Lights are going to pull you out of the background. Lights are going to make you the center of attention, and they're going to look good. A bad camera with good lighting looks way better than a great camera with bad lighting. There's plenty of places that you can see that, but this camera, not properly lit, which I'll show you in a second, looks absolutely dreadful. It is just gray and it's junk. It's not until I get some good lights, a good kicker light, and some background lights to kind of, separate me, that it starts to look good. So that's what today's video is about. If you like the video, make sure that you hit the little like button, hit the little bell for next time I release a video, and hit the subscribe button so you can stay in touch with me. Also, if you have any questions, I do stream here on YouTube on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and Twitch the following week. Jump in our Discord. That's also linked down below. They'll let you know when I'm streaming. Also, my Twitter @JohnQuattro. Hit me up. If you have questions, I've got time to answer. All right, so let's get into the video by shutting these lights off and seeing what I'm talking about. Cool. All right, obviously this looks like crap. I understand that, but this is in a completely dark room. The only lights are these ambient lights around me, but without any lights, this is what it basically looks like. Okay, so this is with one light on, and it's probably the most important light out of all the lights that you're gonna, think about picking up. This is called a key light. This light's main job is to light your face up. Typically, it's better to put it at an angle. That angle is gonna give you different shadows over here on the side of your face. It's just a little bit more flattering for film. If it's right in front of you, it looks, here are my glasses. It looks blown out. My whole face is overexposed. And that's something that you can change, but this is why having it directly to your side actually makes a little bit more sense. And if you have glasses on, keeps that out of your eyes so you can still stay in frame. If you can only afford one light, make sure that you get something that's a key light, put it at a 45-degree angle from your camera. That's going to be good to go. That's going to help quite a bit over that top-down ceiling light that creates shadows down here, and it just doesn't look good. Your second type of light is called a fill light or a kicker light. So I turn mine on. That's why I'm a little more lit up now. If I turn off my key light, you can see what this light does. It gets the other side of my face, try to get it on your shoulder, and it helps separate you from your background. That is visually appealing to people. It also helps pull you out of your background. This is a decent camera with a really nice lens. So the background's blurred. It kind of helps with that. But if you're on a webcam or even, your phone, anything like that, if you can't afford just a lamp, something to put some light on this far shoulder away from your key light. That is something that's going to help you out tremendously, and it's going to give you a professional look to help you stand out. All right, so now we have our key light back on. The last thing of lights that I would talk about, you can get a hair light if you want. I don't really need one. I mean, it might help, but I really don't have a good situation for one. The room I'm in is actually quite small. The last bit of lights, I don't know what to call them. Just fill lights, extra lights. You know, I've got like a little Triforce back here. I've got an I and a V because, you know, John Quattro. That's what the Quattro stands for, if you didn't know, by the way. I'm the fourth, so Roman numeral 4. But I have like little LED lights, you know, RGB lights, just to give the room some extra color, give me an interesting background, and pull me away from the background. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just a quick video, but you know, as far as lighting goes, just remember the 3 things: key light to get your face, kicker light, hair light, whatever you want to call it. Put it on this shoulder to separate you from the background. And if you have some extra cash, you can get these floodlights for like $10 on Amazon. They're dirt cheap. Just get some, you know, something in your background, different lighting, just something to kind of separate it from you. That way you stand out into the camera. It really helps with, you know, you may not know this, or of course you do, you don't think about it. I'm sitting in a room by myself talking directly into a camera lens. But proper lighting kind of makes it look like I'm talking directly to you, not just an empty camera lens. So that would be my suggestion. Quick basic tutorial on lights. You can go a lot more in depth, things like barn doors, which focus your light, but that's for another video. So hopefully you enjoyed the content here, and if it helped you out, let me know, and I'll leave the lights that I use in the description down below. There'll be some Amazon links. If you do decide to buy them, click those links. I get a little kickback. I love it. Helps me out. So don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Hit the like button, hit the little bell so you know when my next video is going to come out. And lastly, you can catch me streaming on YouTube. Usually it's Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I do stream on Twitch. Also, I kind of alternate weeks. But just follow me on Twitter at John Quattro, or join the Discord, the link below. You'll always know when I'm live. Have a great day. See you guys later.